A Peace Organization Address Guide. Chapter 1. Peace Organization Addresses. Peace Organization Addresses. African Centers for Peace Education and Training. peace.ca/africa.hdm. Albert Einstein Institution. Einstein.org. American Friends Service Committee. AFSC.org. The service organization sponsored by the Society of Friends, Quakers, with projects devoted to peace. American Friends Service Committee. 1501 Cherry Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102. 215-241-7000. AFSC info@afsc.org. AFSC.org. Association of World Citizens. worldcitizens.org. An international peace organization. CCCO West. 630 20th St. Suite 302. Oakland, California 94612. 510-465-1617, 888-231, CCCO. Chris@objector.org. Objector.org. Center for the Advancement of Nonviolence. Nonviolenceworks.com. Center for Nonviolent Communication. CNVC.org. The Center for Nonviolent Communications, CNVC, is a global organization whose vision is a world where all people are getting their needs met and resolving their conflicts peacefully. Center on Conscience and War, NISPCO. 1830 Connecticut Avenue, NW. Washington, D.C. 20009. 202-483-2220. NISBCO@nisbco.org. CenteronConscience.org. Central Committee for Conscientious Objectors, CCCO. 1515 Cherry St. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102. 215-563-8787, 888-236, CCCO. info@objector.org. Objector.org. Center for Applied Nonviolent Action and Strategies, Canvas, Multimedia Library. Canvasopedia.org. Circles of 10. PeaceCircles.net. Circles of 10 is a grassroots peace group. Civil Resistance. Civilresistance.info. Committee Opposed to Militarism and the Draft, COMD. POB 15195. San Diego, California 92175. 760-753-7518, 619-265-1369. COMST, or 9. Compassionate Listening Project. CompassionateListening.org. Heal polarization and build bridges between people, communities, and nations in conflict. Council of Peace. councilofpeace.net. Environmentalist Against War. Envirosagainstwar.org. Fellowship of Reconciliation. forusa.org. Fellowship of Reconciliation. Interfaith Peace Organization. forusa.org. Facebook.com/forusa. Twitter.com/forpeace. YouTube.com/fellowshipusa. Flickr.com/photos/forpeace. Friends for a Nonviolent World. 1050 Selby Avenue. St. Paul, Minnesota 55104. 651-917-0383. info@fnvw.org. fnvw.org. Facebook.com/pages/friends-a-nonviolent-world/65159993467. Fundación P. Paz, Ecologia, and Arte. Fundacionp.org. Argentina dedicated to creating a culture of peace. Gandhi Serve Foundation. GandhiServe.org. Global Renaissance Alliance. RenaissanceAlliance.org. Global Nonviolent Peace Force. NonviolentPeaceForce.org. Global Nonviolent Action Database. nvdatabase.swarthmore.edu. Hands Across the Jordan. handsacrossthejordan.org. Creating a peace bridge across the Jordan River. Home Planet. homeplanet.org. Supporting a culture of peace, promoting common core ideas, community development, and ecological integrity through education for world citizenship. Interfaith Encounter Association. interfaith-encounter.org. The Interfaith Encounter Association is dedicated to promoting peace in the Middle East. International Association of Educators for World Peace. homeplanet.org. International Fellowship of Reconciliation. efer.org. The International Fellowship of Reconciliation, IFOR, is an international, spiritually based movement. International Peace Academy. ipacademy.org. Offering seminars on peacekeeping and conflict resolution for military, diplomatic, political, and humanitarian personnel. International Center on Nonviolent Conflict. nonviolent-conflict.org. Jerusalem Peacemakers. jerusalempeacemakers.org. Martin Luther King Jr. Center for Nonviolent Social Change, digitalmilkonline.net. Ministry for Peace. ministryforpeace.org.uk. Nonviolence International. nonviolenceinternational.net. Nonviolence for Peace. 2610 University Avenue West Suite 550. St. Paul, Minnesota 55114. USA. Tel 1-612-871-0005. Fax 1-612-871-0006. info@nonviolentpeaceforce.org. Nonviolent Peace Force, NP. Rue Belliard 205, 1040 Bruxelles. Belgium. Tel, plus 32.2.648.0076. Head office at nonviolentpeaceforce.org. Nuclear Age Peace Foundation. napef.org. Only Love Prevails. openheart.com/peace/peace.html. Palestinian-Israeli Friendship Center. win-peace.org. Pathways to Peace. pathwaystopeace.org. A pioneering peace-building organization serving locally and globally. Peace Room. peaceroom.org. A project of the Foundation for Conscious Evolution. Peace Studies Program. peacestudies.colorado.edu. Periodistas por la Paz. periodistaspeorlapaz.8m.com. Journalists in the Dominican Republic dedicated to peace. In Spanish only. Plowshares Institute. plowsharesinstitute.com. Praxis Peace Institute. praxispeace.org. Preventing Terrorism. permanentpeace.org. Quaker Peace Center. quaker.org/Cape Town. The Quaker Peace Center is a team of peacemakers. Radio for Peace International. rfpi.org. RedPaz. redepaz.org. The Education for Peace, Global Net. Resolving Conflict Creatively. triune.ca/rcc. A series of video courses. Service Civil International. Scient.org. Service Civil International, SCI. Shalom Center. shalomctr.org. The Shalom Center, founded in 1983, brings Jewish spirituality, tradition, and experience to bear on issues of Tikkun Olam, pursuing peace, seeking justice, healing the earth, and building community. Spiritual Defense Initiative. globalmeditations.com. Sulha Peace Project. metazulha.org/sulha/advisory_partners.htm. Sulha is an indigenous, Middle Eastern way of reconciliation. The U.S. Peace Government. uspeacegovernment.org/index.html. The Peace Revolution. peacerevolution.net. Institute for Economics and Peace. economicsandpeace.org/education. Transcend Peace University. Transcend.org/TPU. The Transcend Peace University, TPU, is Transcend's peace education/training arm, delivering on-site and online courses. Triune Arts. Triune.ca. Triune Arts. U.S. Institute of Peace. usip.org/publications/religion-and-peacemaking-web-links. bookstore.usip.org/index.aspx, bookstore. facebook.com/usinstituteofpeace. twitter.com/usip. youtube.com/user/usinstituteofpeace. linkedin.com/company/united-states-institute-of-peace. instagram.com/usipeace. flickr.com/photos/usipeace. War Resisters League. 339 Lafayette Street, New York, New York 10012. 212-228-0450. WRL at igc.apc.org. warresisters.org. World Love Center. worldlovecenter.com. Worldwide Association of Retired Generals and Admirals. wcarga.org.